Excited about growth hacking but stuck on how to get it implemented? Yep, we've all been there. The good news is that growth wheel can start spinning in hours, not months. Welcome to the Growth Hacking Ideation workshop. Having worked with over 200 fast-growing companies around the globe, my co-instructor Anuj, Adhiya and I, Maja, Voje, will teach you how to run your very own growth ideation workshop. Its aim is to help you develop experiments specifically tailored to your company's business objectives. So what exactly is a growth ideation workshop? Growth Ideation Workshop will produce dozens, sometimes even hundreds of applicable growth experiment ideas. This is the exact same methodology that we use in our consulting work. It has been thoroughly tested and I swear it's proven to work. So we will create a bunch of ideas. What about now? We need to decide what to do first, what to do next, and what should be completely avoided, what we shouldn't be doing. Remember, resources are scarce, and you, as a growth practitioner, you will be under tremendous pressure to deliver tangible results. We've got you covered with prioritization framework that will help you select and implement ideas with the highest potential to succeed. But wait, how does success look like? Well, we got that covered too. That's a very good question. A lot of growth practitioners struggle with setting up experiment hypotheses or simply skip this step. This is dangerous because it inevitably leads to inconclusive experiments. How do you know that something is a success if you haven't envisioned what the success look like? We'll explain how to do and shape experiment hypotheses using real-life examples and provide you with framework how to do this successfully on your own. So how to form your very own experiment hypothesis. Sounds great, right? How do we get this to life? We'll first equip you with growth process management tools that will get you ready to run your first growth meeting. By the end of this course, you'll be perfectly equipped to run your growth hacking ideation workshops completely by yourself, either for yourself or for your clients. We'll help you to recognize the potential, how to enable the growth process and get the wheel of experimentation spinning faster than ever. And nevertheless, you'll have this superpower to help companies understand and unlock their growth potential, which is specific to their objectives. So develop a program that is tailored to their needs. Sounds good? Buckle up, enjoy the ride, and start your growth engine.